Did I just see blue light? Oh. Whoa, that's thunder snow.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Maybe that's why you seen blue.
Yeah.
Hey.
I need to call this in.
What do you mean?
National Weather Service. Hi, I'm a weather spotter in Worcester. On the highway going towards Hudson on eastbound 290. We got heavy sleet, like heavy ice sleet coming down, and it's covering the highway. And we got just thunder lightning. I thought it was like blue lights from a police car, but it kind of surprised me because I'm not used to seeing that. Yeah. So yeah, we got. No, I didn't see any lightning. Just it just lit up the sky nice and blue. So just wanted to let you guys know because that yeah towards Hudson, and there's no like plow trucks out here on the road, so it's very slick. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming down. Traffic is moving about 40 miles an hour, 40 to 50. So, oh, more thunder snow just happened right there. I got it on my dash cam too. So, yeah, I'll be sure to send in the video too. You're welcome. I'll let you know if there's anything else besides that tonight. Alrighty, bye. You're welcome. Like, wow, really? That's rare. Wow, look at all the flashing lights up in it. Turn that back on. Hit the record button. Well, it's always recording. I just saved it. Center lane. Isn't that crazy? Thunder snow. That's freaking awesome. Oh, look at that! It picks it up perfectly on the dash cam. A mile away.